Students, it is the last lecture of this week of subject sampling technique. Listen attentively. Here I have introduced the concepts of first order, second order incursion probabilities, which will be used in Howard-Thompson estimator. First order and second order of incursion probabilities, the probability pi I varies from 1 to 3 up to n is the probability of the selection of one of the I varies from 1 to 3 up to n units. It is also known as first order incursion probability, and the probability pi ij, where I is not equal to j, I varies from 1 to 3 up to n and j varies from 1 to 3 up to n minus 1, is the probability that the selection of first and second units at the same time selected in the sample. It is also known as second order incursion probability. Second order incursion probability. Now down the slide, please. And here I shared example from the book of Advanced Sampling Theory with Application. Listen attentively. Consider population of size 5 having elements A, B, C, D and E, and if we wish to select a sample of size 3 unit using without replacement sampling out of 10 total 10 possible samples, ST is equal to 1 to SI is equal to 1 to 3 up to 10. Given that S1 is equal to ABC, S2 is equal to ABD and so on, S10 is equal to CDE. The sample size is 3. Let me increase the size of this text so that it can easily readable. It will become readable. Now, the solution of this example. Now, the questions, part of the questions included in this example. Find the first order and second order incursion probabilities provided that all samples have an equal chance of the selection, that is PST is equal to 1 over 10. Compare your result with simple random sampling without replacement sampling scheme. If third part C part is PS1 is equal to 0.5, PS2 is equal to 0.30, PS3 is equal to 0.2 and PST is equal to 0.00, T is equal to 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. From 4 to 10, the probability of the selection of the sample is 0. Then find new first order and second order incursion probability. Solution: when all the samples have equal chance of the selection, that is PT is equal to PST is equal to 0.1, then first order incursion probability pi I is equal to 1, 2, 3 up to 5 are given as pi I is equal to probability first unit A from the population including the sample. Now we have to see that which samples have first element, that is unit A. Now go to the all possible samples, that is these are all possible samples. Now we have to see the samples having the sampling unit A. S1, S2, S3, S4, S5, X6. There are 6 possible samples which have first unit, that is A. Now come to the solution. Now, first order incursion probability pi I is equal to PS1 plus PS2 plus PS3 plus PS4 plus PS5 plus PS6. Respective probabilities of the selection when each sampling unit have equal chance of selection is equal to 0.1 plus 0.1 plus 0.1 and so on. 6 times 0.1, it is equal to 0.6. Thus, therefore, the incursion probability pi I is equal to 0.6. Similarly, pi 2, the selection probability for the selection of second unit, that is B, in the sample which is in the population. Now we have to see which samples, which possible samples have second unit. Similarly, we can add up the respective probabilities of the selection of the samples having unit B. In the similar way, we can find pi 3, pi 4, pi 5. There are 5 possible sampling units in the sample, that is A, B, C, D and E. Now we have to find the second order incursion probabilities pi ij, that is pi 1, 2, probability that first and second units A, that is A and B, will be included in the sample. Now we have the samples which have the unit A and B. S1 have A and B, S2 have A and B, S3 have A and B. Now first three samples have the sampling units AB, 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 first and second units. Now come on the solution of second order incursion probabilities. Now pi 1, 2. Therefore, pi 1, 2 is equal to PS1 plus PS2 plus PS3. Therefore, 0.1 plus 0.1 plus 0.1 is equal to 0.3. Now, second order incursion probability pi 1, 2 is equal to 0.3. Similarly, we have find the incursion probability pi 1, 2, pi 1, 4, pi 1, 5, and pi 2, 3, pi 2, 4. Pi 2, 4, let me explain pi 2, 4, that is second and fourth element, that is B and D included in the samples. There are S1, S5 and S9 are the possible samples which have included both B and D. Therefore, 0.1 plus 0.1 plus 0.1 is equal to 0.3 is the incursion probability pi 2, 4. Similarly, we have find out pi 2, 5, pi 3, 4, pi 3, 5 and pi 4, 5. Thus we observe that if all samples have the same chance of selection, then pi I is equal to 0.6 and pi ij is equal to 0.2 whatsoever the I and j. Also note that under simple random sampling, the sampling pi I is equal to small n over divided by capital N. 3 over 5 is equal to 0.6. This is similarly pi ij is equal to n into n minus 1 divided by capital N into capital N minus 1. That is 3 into 3 minus 1 divided by 5 into 5 minus 1. 6 over 20, it is also equal to 0.3. Thus, if all samples have the same chance of the selection, then probability proportional to the simple random sampling without replacement, simple random sampling without replacements are equivalent. In this case, now come on C part. Here the selection probability of the samples is not equal. That is the selection of selection of first sample is the probability of the selection of first sample is 0.5. Probability of the selection of second sample is 0.30. Probability of the selection of second sample is 0.2. Remaining samples have zero probability to be selected in the as a sample. Now come towards the solution. Now pi 1 PS1 plus PS2 plus PS3 plus PS4 plus PS5 plus PS6. These are the possible samples which have the element A. Now PS1 is equal to 0.5, PS2 is equal to 0.3, PS3 is equal to 0.2 plus and so on 0 by 0 plus 0.0 plus 0.0 is equal to 1. Now we have find pi 2. In a similar way, we have find pi 2, which is equal to 1. Pi 3 is equal to 0.05. Pi 4 is equal to 0.3. Pi 5 is equal to 0.2. Similarly, we have calculate second order intelligent probabilities. Pi s3, pi s4, pi s6, pi s8, pi s probability of s3 plus probability of s5, probability of s6, probability of s8, probability of s9 plus probability of s10. These are the units which have fifth unit, that is E in the sample. The probability is 0.2. Now come on the second order intelligent probability pi 1 2. The samples which have first and second unit. There are 3 samples having first and second unit, that is S1, S2, S3. Therefore PS1 plus PS2 plus PS3 is equal to 0.5 plus 0.3 plus 0.2 is equal to 2. Similarly, we can find P13. The samples having unit first and third, A and C. PS1 plus PS4 plus PS5. The probability of the selection of first sample 0.5 and the probability of selection of fourth and fifth sample are 0 and 0 respectively. Therefore, pi 13 is equal to 0. Intelligent probability of first and third order. Similarly, we can find the probability intelligent probability of first and fourth sample, first and fifth sample, second and fourth. We have calculated here. Now this is the pi 34, pi 35 and pi 4 5. You can find the remaining probabilities, remaining second order intelligent probability.